everyone, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday. Also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a surprise unboxing. You know. So this did just come in the mail, and I wanted to get up on here and share the unboxing so I can like look through the bag and play with her and everything. It come through the post office, so it wasn't like it wasn't like DHL or anything like that. I think that's the shipping company. Just get off of work. I didn't feel like putting on nothing cute or special, so I do have on my little tank top that I am going to be wearing minus the bra. I just put on the bra so y'all don't have to see my real at-home look, because when I get home, y'all, I like to get comfortable, you know, comfortable. Here is the box. What she looking like? Okay. Okay. I did get a few people ask me about, I'm still on Weight Watchers, so I'm thinking about doing a updated video regarding my Weight Watchers journey. Here's the box, y'all. Okay, presentation is not there, so let's hope and pray the inside looks a lot better. So as you can see, it's a Chanel bag. So here is the bag in the inside, and it's just this here stuff here. And before I get to showing you the bag, like I said, if this is not your cup of tea, please go ahead and exit out, because I do not want to waste your time or anything like that. You know, I still love you, because I know this ain't everybody's cup of tea, but for right now, I don't mind doing the videos, because like I said, they send them to me and I don't mind sharing. Go ahead and click out, and you know Miss Tamika got you. So I decided on this here particular bag. So here is the bag I decided to review. So it's a wallet on chain. Okay, I ain't mad at it so far. All right, so here is the bag, and the back has this here slip pocket. And now I'm gonna show you my card case. So this is my actual Chanel card case that I got from the actual Chanel store. The leather is different. Is the inside, and then they have this little pocket. If I'm not mistaken, this here little pocket right here was for like her Chanel love notes or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. So here's the inside. Here is the zipper, and here is a pocket right here. Let me take this here wrapping off. So like I said, for me, Chanel is way out of my price range. I'm gonna be honest, it's out of my price range, because even if I had $5,000 or $10,000, I would not pay for a Chanel bag. I would rather get plastic surgery or something like that, not a bag. But again, I just wanted to show you all. So here is my card case. So my card case do fit. And I do like the fact that you can still put some stuff in here. So right now I have my card case. And let's just say I want to bring a lip product. Say I want to bring my bronzer. So this one is one of those bags that you will not be able to carry everything. This particular bag, the only thing I'll probably be able to carry is like my card case, maybe my cell phone, and my AirPods. So the one thing about this particular bag, you do have card slots on the back. So you will not have to carry this particular card case. but that card case is gonna go everywhere with me at this point. So here is the bag, and I actually like the shoulder strap. So it's nice as a, let me back up. So here is the bag as a crossbody bag. So I think you push, so yeah, you push this and it can make it longer or shorter, as you can see. Oh, you can make it shorter. Let's see. So yeah, you can make it shorter like this. Like, this is the perfect size for me. Like, if I was to get a Chanel, this would most likely be the size I would get. But this hair size, y'all, is still a little pricey for me. And for my first and ever Chanel, I don't know if I would want to do a, you know, secondhand or pre-loved Chanel bag. So here again is the desk bag. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and show you this here Chanel bag. So here's the bag. The material feels a little different from what I'm used to, because the other Chanel bag I have is a little softer. So the leather on here do feel a little different, not in a bad way. But again, you get what you pay for. Like, these bags, you know, are very expensive. So I feel like the look and the quality and the look, I'll give it a 8 out of 8. Yeah, I'll give it an 8 out of 8. So yeah, so here's the bag, you all. She's cute. Like I said, you know, it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I know for me right now, a Chanel is not in my future, and it's not even on my wish. It's not even on my wish list. That's why I ended up getting the card case, because that's more of my price range. This is what I can get. This is me. But I may go and do some research on this here wallet on chain, because I actually like this, because it's a really cute size. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it can still hold a few things. So yeah, y'all, wanted to get on here and show you that. And then really quick, y'all, if y'all been following me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all know I've been sharing a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. I mean, Dollar Tree shop with me. Y'all, when I tell you these here, when I tell you $1.25 and you get 25, and it has elderberry in here. And if you don't know, elderberry is good for the immune system, you all. I highly recommend these, y'all. Screenshot these and go to Dollar Tree and stock up on them. I bought like 3 bags because I don't know, we've been getting sick over here. So I was like, okay, let me grab a few bags so we'll have, because when I tell you I was drinking elderberry like juice up in here. So, but yeah, I'm about to go in the kitchen and grab my dinner. Go eat my food, y'all. So I'm not sure if I'm going to add this in a vlog or whatever. So make sure you are subscribed, okay? And with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this here video, give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, stay tuned, because I'm not sure if I'm going to add you in another clip or add you by yourself. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do. So just stay tuned. And I have that update for you all as far as the Weight Watchers. Just to give you a little sneak peek, I am not on Weight Watchers anymore. So just keep that in the back of your head until I do my updated video. So if you want an update video on my Weight Watchers journey, please let me know down below by... let's see, I don't know, posting a purple heart to let me know. If I get 5 purple hearts, I'll do a updated video on my weight loss journey with Weight Watchers. So with that being said, I will talk to you later.